Ngizophuma ku live phela mina guys.
I'm bothered with this whole situation. Guys, I think it's like if you think more about them, it's where they hurt you. Yeah, but it's just like funny enough because when the posting happened and all of those stuff,
she was not in the country.
I was not in the country. I was out of the country, and in the country I was in, there was no network. Like I was getting like maybe in the whole 24 hours I was getting 5 minutes network, for example. So that being said, people were sending me DMs guys, on WhatsApp and also sending me screenshots with bana ziyakhala
uandile nami sekaqalini
kwenzakalani.
Yeah, but andile nami.
How do you feel about negative things they say about her? Honestly speaking, I wish I could tuga each and every one of them.
Or do something about it, but we can't.
But Bebabu Zemin.
I'm saying now. Oh.
I wish there's something I can do about it or even swear at them. But one thing I know for sure is that angeke ngabaqeda bona labe ngikwazi ukubaphendula bayazi ukuthi ngiyadila nabo na. I don't like bullying, whether it's someone onjanjani, regardless of it's being her or anything. Bullying nje, I don't tolerate bullying. Yabo no baby bengibullisha ngambullisha wangicasukela
nini
izolo
wena ngicasukela
bangidinela usuku lonke guys umuntu. When did you introduce Sima?
Khale ngamintroduce uSima.
Actually, where is Sima gonna meet your wives physically?
Soon.
Where?
Abafuna ukuza basile lapho.
No, wife is not expecting, guys, unfortunately. You're gonna Nunca Rabi, I'm gonna ask something every day, even the wife is speaking about Sima Marayu.
Andile, do you have podcast interviews? Yes, I do. Depends which podcast is calling me though. It was.
Please don't hurt Sima Kyaukup. How naki heta about Chugant.
In balok bat mood. Any mood.
Muti? Ngiyabonga we Queen Anne. Ube peace ukuba down to earth.
Please add Sima on the live now.
Yes, okay.
Ngela umuntu wami guys.
Kuno Diego kuphela guys.
Diego.
Olothi baby no guys ngiyamthanda uThalen ngicela ungiphe yena bhuti.
Psych.
Hayi shothi isithembo asikho nzima ngalendlela esicabanga ukuthi sinzima ngakhona. Uthi lona ba strong alabafazi. Athi lona kichelede imali. Nisho ukuthi nje imali yonke le ukuba imali ayikho ngabe nje yane. I agree. They must have a reality show. Oh wow. Wow, yes, yazi ngingayibuka ke shem. uAndile nabafazi bakhe abayi2 noSima. Wow, and ingaba nama views shemyazi. Uthi lona call me toxic. I will never agree to be in a polygamous relationship. Mina ngingaba kuyona, but only if the guy is like wealthy. You know, ngisho ngaba umfazi wesi5 I wouldn't mind as long as ngizoba nayo yonke into engidingayo, uzongithengela umuzi wami, ngibe nemoto zami, ngibe neallowance yami. I wouldn't mind as long as uguy wealthy nje, it's fine. Ngisho ngaba umfazi wesi10 anginandaba nje, anginankinga nje mina nesithembu ukuthi nje kumele imali ibe khona qha. First wife is Sotho, second wife is Zulu, and Sima is Xhosa. The fourth wife will be Betty, Tswana or Venda. Hayi asazi. Kanti uAndile ufuna ukuba nabafazi abangakahle kahle nje mase bephelele. I really wonder. Uthi lona yekelana umuntu wami phambi komuntu wakhe. Yo, I'm not strong enough. And ushilo guys wathi nje yekana umuntu wami. Hey, kade bekhuluma ngosima phela wathi nje yekelana umuntu wami lapho ula esifubeni samuntu wakhe. Ayi nami guys angikho strong ngaleyo ndlela shemandla I'm not gonna lie. Guys, let's not act like we aren't always in the comments asking to be number 3. He has money, this boy, so why not? Ayi ngempela guys. Uma ukuthi unemali le abathunayo ngempela, ngisho ngaba nabawu 5 as long as uzoba afforda, ezokwazi ukwaphatha kahle. Who are we? Like seriously. Unemali lo mfana, ukuba imali beyingekho, I don't think. Ya phela vele isithembu sidinga imali. Imali mengekho esishaye. Ngiyangibona nje laba abanye ethi mina ngifuna isithembu kodwa uthi uyambheka lo muntu lo usahlulwa unakekela umfazi wakhe lo oyi1 uvela ubona ukuthi we ayikho indaba yakho. Hayi ke guys ngiyabona ukuthi ke umfazi wesibili nje uready for usima akanankinga naye urelaxile kumnandi kunje yaya nje uyabona ngisho ukuthi usima uya umfazi wesithathu nje kuzoba mnandi kuloya muzi. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on my next video. Please do subscribe on this channel.